Before we start this video, despite of all my efforts that I put into YouTube as well as crypto, as well as investment and trading, meron pa din ako guys na day job na outside of my YouTube life. So, may mga iba na nagsasabi na pag nag-trade ka na daw, mag-quit ka na daw work, or like sasabi nila, if kumikita naman ako sa trading, pati na lang daw mag full time sa trading. Well, it's because I prefer to have a growth in my career outside of YouTube and outside of trading and outside of investment. I still believe na yung growth ko with my life as an analyst outside YouTube is what I still prefer to have as a long-term growth. Now, this is also the reason why I also have an analysis channels, because I'm also an analyst in real life. I have a full-time job as an analyst at an accounting firm. And yeah, siguro i-share ko a bit of how my life is dito. And thankfully today, pupunta tayo sa office ngayon kasi we have a meeting today na gagawin namin sa office. And then siguro ipapakita ko lang sa inyo what's my life beyond YouTube. Hopefully stay up until the end of this first part ng video para lang makita nyo naman kung anong ginagawa ko with my day-to-day life. So ayun guys, before tayo pumasok ng office, let's try to grab some coffee muna at Starbucks. So ayun guys, I just got home from work and it was a pretty long day, but yeah, usually nag-grab or nag-drive ako pa uwi, but this time hinatid ako ng office mate ko dahil may dala siyang car. But yeah, at least nakakita kayo ng glimpse of my life beyond YouTube and beyond the life of a trader and investor. At least nakikita nyo na I still have a day job, and hopefully this becomes also an inspiration sa inyo para sa mga if ever na gusto pa rin magkaroon ng full-time job as well as i-follow yung similar career path na ginagawa ko. At least nakikita nyo yung aking ginagawa din. And hopefully mahanap nyo din yung gusto nyong gawin in the near future tulad ng ginagawa ko din sa aking personal life. Anyway, let's now dive into the main analysis. So, hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And yeah, the first part of the video was basically what's my life beyond trading, and diba, I actually prefer to have a day job pa din despite of me being okay naman with the crypto market. Kahit sabihin natin kumikita naman ako dito or kaya naman masustain yung buhay ko or yung lifestyle ko with just the crypto market alone, I personally still believe na I want to have a career path pa din with my day job. Gusto ko like yung talagang nagagamit ko talaga skills with day-to-day scenarios, not only the Philippines but as well as the world. So thankfully yung job ko is binibigyan ako ng ganun type of experience to be able to work with different clients across the world, or in this case, across Asia Pacific man lang, as well as my different teammates as well as Asia Pacific. So right now, I'm currently okay with that. And hopefully, if interested din kayo sa maging ganun type of career, if let's say you want to be an analyst too in the future, not only in the world of trading, but as well as in the professional career, you can actually message me guys in Instagram, or you can actually try to send me a message in Twitter, or you can actually send me an email too if yung mga gusto din kayo malaman about the life of an analyst and life of a developer beyond the world of trading. But anyway, let's now dive into this video, and siguro let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa ating previous analysis, sa video natin the other day was we were not expecting any move yet kasi di ba nakita natin na we are just seeing a support and resistance area between the 22,700 up until the 23,400. And look at that, it played out exactly as predicted. We are just merely consolidating within that support and resistance area. So for now, we have been just consolidating just area na yan. And if you're going to zoom in dito with the Bitcoin price action, kahapon actually may nakita tayong falling channel kagabi, or actually kahapon may falling channel, and you can also see this in the 50-minute time frame. And as you can see, meron din siya actually bullish divergence. Hindi ko na to na signal kasi medyo busy ako kahapon dahil yun nga nasa work ako, and yeah, may on-site kami na meeting. But as you can see, there was a bullish divergence and there was also a pattern forming. And ang target dapat niyan was the top of the channel or the top of the wedge, which has actually played out exactly na nga. And yan, hindi natin siya na-play out kasi of course medyo busy ako. And of course on top of that, meron din siya actually na nag-form na falling wedge din. And that falling wedge has also played out exactly na din. So medyo tapos na yung mga movements nila. So right now, I think for now, what we are going to do is we are just going to wait out for the next move to form. But ito yung kagandahan dito guys, since as you can see, we are actually seeing a clear pattern na we are just playing within the support and resistances. Siguro, some people would actually try to actually short this movement. But ako for me, I would just actually wait for another swing tradable pattern opportunity to form. Similar to what we have seen sa mga previous movement, yung magko-form siya ng falling wedge. If ever nag-form siya ng panibagong falling wedge, then dun ako ngayon mag-start ng trade, ng panibagong trade. And of course, if may clear opportunity, saka natin siya i-open lang. So hanggat walang clear opportunity, then of course, wala tayong trade. So as much as possible, always remember to wait for a clear sign talaga na meron talagang trend reversal or bearish indicator. Kasi if wala, then of course, those movements are more likely to lead into a fake out. So as much as possible, always secure your capital, place stop loss, and always secure your profits then by placing a take profit area. And zooming out with the Bitcoin price, let's try to look at this within the 4-hour time frame at a bigger chart. As you can see, sa 4-hour time frame, we are still consolidating within this massive support and resistance between the 17,000 and up until the 23,000, but right now, ang massive resistance right now is actually forming around the 24,300. So as of the time being, we are just actually playing within this massive support and resistance ni Bitcoin. So I think we can still further continue this trend. So for now, if you are looking for a swing tradable opportunity, what I suggest is you would actually look at the 15-minute time frame, which is yung pump and dump na nakikita natin. But as for investment, right now, I don't think na we don't have any massive swing tradable opportunity yet. Kasi look at this. We are just merely consolidating dito and it's actually just continuing this trend. So for now, I would just actually stay aside lang muna, stay put muna, and I'll just wait for the next indicator to form within the 50-minute time frame for the Bitcoin price action. And guys, take note, yung pinakita ko kanina sa video, bumili ako ng Starbucks using Crypto.com. It was actually this Crypto.com. And dito kasi kay Crypto.com, not only you can spend your crypto directly, but you can also stake your coins. And if you're going to stake your coins, you can actually earn up to 14.5 interest per annum on coins and 8.5% on stable coins. And yeah, you can actually use your Crypto.com Visa card anywhere in the world. And if you want to claim up to $50 bonus with Crypto.com, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. But anyway, ay muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.